To hide a map in the Strava app, start by locating the app on your device, which can be found by swiping through your screens until you see the App Store. Open the App Store, and at the bottom, you'll see options for today, games, apps, arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button to access the search bar, where you can type in Strava to find the app. Once found, open the Strava app, and if you haven't already, download and install it. After installation, locate the Strava app, which is recognizable by its orange icon, and open it. To hide a map, you'll need to log into your account first. Upon logging in, you'll see a bottom row with options for home, maps, record, groups, and your profile. To find the activity for which you want to hide the map, go to your profile and select the activity. In the top right corner of the activity page, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu with options including Add Media, Add Activity, Crop Activity, Edit Map Visibility, and more. Select Edit Map Visibility to access the map settings. Here, you can choose to hide the start point, end point, or the entire map. If you select the option to hide the entire map, it will be indicated by an orange color, and the map will be hidden once the activity is published. To save your changes, click Save. This process allows you to control the visibility of your maps in the Strava app.